Hi there, welcome to Traveler's Backpacker. I hope you guys are doing well. It's been very long time. I was not keeping well due to my health. So today we are gonna speak in 3 languages. So from today onwards, all the immigration blogs, which is gonna release in a week. Every week there'll be a single blog which is gonna be released, and that will be given on English, Telugu, and Malayalam. We are gonna see the updates on immigrations. So today's topic, we are talking about Dubai visa. The Indian citizen whoever wants to visit Dubai can opt 2 types of visa as of now. So coming to Dubai immigration and Dubai airport is one of the best and one of the busiest airport in the world, because there are a lot of flights and from many destinations which are guys for Indian citizens whoever is visiting to Dubai are gonna opt either 30 days visa or 90 days visa. And there are a lot of other category visas also, but as of now, due to this COVID-19 situation, there are a lot of restrictions applied on another visas. All right, so today we are going to look on to 30 days and 90 days visa. How do you apply for the visa? Either you're going to opt for a travel agent who is going to process you the visa. All right, so this is how it's going to happen. So what else required for applying a Dubai visa? The main thing, as an Indian citizen, you need to have a passport. The passport expiry date from the travel should be at least 6 months validity. The passport should be valid for 6 months. If the passport is expiring in other 5 months, you're not eligible to travel. They won't let you travel. Okay, so make your passport is applied before going. If the passport is having 6 months validity, your travel period should be 6 months. Before getting into India, it should be 6 months. All right, so the next thing is like, so how do you going to apply the visa? What all the documentations are required? So you need your passport front and last page needed to be scanned, and your PAN card and one photograph. The photograph should be without goggles, or it should be with white background, so that it's very clear for the immigration officer or the visa processing officer to process your visa. And it's hardly going to take you 3 to 4 working days. Depends upon the DMCs, you're going to get your visa ASAP. One more thing you need to know about it. Many Indian citizens, okay, you need to remind this, it is very important. Once you travel to Dubai, main thing, you're going for a job, looking out for a job, right? So once you get your job, what is your duty to do? Many people just go over there with a visit visa, and people just go with your work visa and you set over there. And there is something called immigration status change which needed to be done, and that is your responsibility. We also make sure we need to respect the country where we are in and where we are from. All right, so I'm talking about once you get your work permit over there in UAE, you need to make sure the change of status visa copy needed to be sent to your travel agent or whoever processed your visa. So make sure you do that, so that your immigration status would be good for you. So but what happens, because until unless the immigration department interfere into your visa status, you will ending up with deportation, or there'll be a huge fine which you need to go on. So that's why I'm saying you, which is very, very important, that once you apply for a visa, if you're traveling with visit visa, if you're going to Dubai, make sure once you get your work permit visa, you need to make sure you need to send copy of visa to your travel agent or the visa processor, so that you're safe side and the travel agent will be safe side. Okay. What happens if you don't send your visa status? Yes, many people, they might say the conversion will be automatically happening and it will immediately reflect on your immigration status, which is Indian immigration or Dubai immigration, doesn't matter. But it is your duty that once you get your visa, once you convert your visa over there in Dubai, you need to provide the copy to them, so that everybody is safe and you're also safe, and you will be good and you're following the rules and regulation of the country which you are going to, right? So guys, you might be knowing about the permit, the work permit. There are 2 types of permit. One is open permit and one is contract permit in Dubai. So one thing what you need to maintain, make sure that you need to know about the permit is like, open permit gives you an authority to work in another company after you get resigned from the present company. Okay, and the contract permit, which gives you 2 years validity. or 3 years validity. There'll be certain period of contract, right? So without finishing that, you can't jump into any other projects or any other office or any other work. Okay, you need to there is a offer letter which will be given from your company as well from the labor department, and you should also make sure like both of the labor department and your actual offer letter matches the salary. If the salary part is not matching, please do let your labor department or your officials know about to change the value over there, the salary value over there. If, for example, if it's like 5,000 AED, if labor department is showing you around like 3,500 AED, do not sign the form, because that is going to give you the immigration status where your actual impression is going to lie on that. So make sure your labor certificate also has a $5,000 or 5,000 AED denominations. So if you, after that, please do sign that, and you should read the rules and regulation of whatever written in the labor certificate and as per your company norms also. So that should be good for you. And one more thing, if you would like to access my channel in another language, so my other two videos are going to be in Telugu and Malayalam. If you would like to access that, I've given the link in the description. Please do go ahead and add into that, and you can get into the other language vlogs of mine with Traveler's Backpacker. If you have any doubts regarding the immigrations, you need to make sure you please get in touch with me or any kind of immigration agents anywhere across the world, and make sure you know the rules and regulation before entering into any other country, which gives you the safety and secure, and you also follow the rules and regulation of the country which you are going to visit or whichever country you are staying over there. And many people who didn't even send your work permit to your travel agent or visa provider, please do make sure take a screenshot, take a scan copy of it, and please do send it to your travel agent, and make sure your immigration status is maintained as per the law, rules and regulation of Indian immigration. And we also process visa, Dubai visa, and there are a lot of litigation which needed to be done. If you need to know about how to apply Dubai visa, or if you want to process through Traveler's Backpacker, you're always welcome. All the details are given in description, and there is my contact number which is going to be scrolled down right now. So please do follow up us, and I do have an Instagram ID, Nikhil Sport. You can follow me over there. And if you're looking out, if you're new to the vlog, please do subscribe my channel, Traveler's Backpacker, and please do keep supporting. Give the thumbs up if you like the video. You guys have a great day. See you. So see you at next vlog. Till that, bye bye from Nikhil. You guys have a great day.